Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you that how to accept Facebook group members request. So let's get started. Tap on Facebook app to open it and tap on hamburger icon. Select groups, open group and tap on tools and insights. Member requests. In this section, you will get all members requests that are requested to join this group. If you click on approve, you will accept their request to join this group. And if you tap on decline, their request will be cancelled and they will not join this group.